All right, I'm going to show you how you can test this thing. So they give you this special tester, and what you do is you just kind of push it right on those two nodules right there, just like that. And it kind of stands on there. Now, if I press, first I got to turn this on. If I press the electrical, watch what happens. Right, yeah. So now if you want to make it go up in power, I press this. And so I'm putting it more charge on it. I'm going to go to, see how high I can go. I'm giving it a 30. It was at 1. So now let's see what happens. See how much brighter it is? That's much more electricity. So that's at 30. Let's see how high it goes. 30, look at that. I'm going to go way up there. I'm going to go to 100. Oh, whoops. Let me go backwards and see if I can go to 100. All right, so I'm at 99. Let's see how bright it is. You ready? See how bright that is? Now I'm going to go from 99 to 1. Okay? Now it's at 1. That's the setting I had it on when I was testing it. Whoops. Hang on. You set it on there. All right, now that's 1. See how it's very, very light? And I'll go up a little bit. I'm just going to go up to 15. It's brighter. It's not flickering as much. But as you go higher, I'm going to go into the, back into like 96. All right, so now we're at 83. Check it out. And now I'm just going to go down. I'm going to go back up to the easy ones. Okay, I'm at 2. So you can see, if you keep it down like 1 or 2, you're not going to hurt your animal. But if you go up higher, I mean, it's going to be shocking. That's how you test it. All right, let's press this thing and see what happens. Nothing. Let's press this. All right, so that's that. We tested it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this.